Hey everybody, Dwayne Raines with KeyDigital Systems here. I'm here with Eduardo Barrero with the Midtown Global Market here in Minneapolis. We're very excited about this new project with Innovative Sales Solutions. And Eduardo, I'd like for you to tell us a little bit about the Global Midtown Market. What's it all about here in Minneapolis? How does it serve the community? And just give us the whole pitch behind it.
Sure. Thank you for the opportunity to tell you the story and the background about Midtown Global Market. Midtown Global Market is an incubator space that we have and created in order to provide opportunities for minority entrepreneurs to start their own business and grow. The intention is to cultivate an economic activity in the neighborhood that will benefit not just the business owners, but the entire community as a whole.
So how many entrepreneurs, how many businesses are in Global today?
Currently, we have 13 restaurants. Those restaurants represent many parts of the world. We have Asian food, we have Middle East food, we have African food, we have Latino food. We have a wide variety of options for the customer to come and enjoy.
Excellent, excellent. And so this project that we're talking about here with the KeyDigital products within it, some of the displays around, we've got these great the kind of video walls with our 2x2 MLV processor showing video content. How has that helped with the overall experience here at Global?
Well, first of all, thank you, because this is going to be a game changer. This is going to be a game changer in the sense that we are going to be more out there for the customer, not just in terms of showing what is here, but also guiding them through the facility, where you can go, where you can find your favorite product, your favorite food, what you can do, what are the restrooms, what kind of a facility do we have. So this is going to be a game changer that we didn't have before in this kind of a format.
Excellent.
And so now having these big screens along with the individual the screens in each one of the entrances is going to give us a big boost to inform the visitor about Midtown Global Market.